Creating stunning presentations can be challenging, but AI-powered tools make it easier. AI in presentations. AI tools help design slides quickly. They offer templates and design suggestions. This saves time and effort. Beautiful.ai. Beautiful.ai is a popular tool. It automates slide design. Just add content, and it creates professional layouts. Canva. Canva is versatile. It offers many templates and design elements. It's user-friendly and great for beginners. SlideBean. SlideBean uses AI to organize content. It suggests layouts based on your input. This ensures a polished presentation. Conclusion. AI tools transform how we create presentations. They simplify design and enhance creativity. Try them for your next project.